Okay, here's a construction zone update for the barn. The barn loft is getting a total makeover. It's gonna be completely different. You know, the layout's still the same, but we're gonna get rid of that finally and do a mini split in here. So I'm really happy about that because I do not like my window unit right there. We have a window unit in the back bedroom, but it's tucked away in the closet and you can't see it, so it's fine. And it works out super efficiently. But this used to be open. That was just like a half wall or a 3/4 wall. And that was open to the bedroom. And this was all vaulted and open and black, if you remember before. So now we finally have a solid wall. We had to shift the door over a little bit. That's why there's new drywall there that needs to get painted, because the fridge, which is here, is gonna be right on that wall. And then the range goes here and the vent hood goes there. Microwave coffee station in the middle, sink, dishwasher is in this hole. And then we have a really pretty quartz that we used in the cottage. We're gonna do the same quartz counters to go over that. And it'll stick out a little bit so I can have some bar stools there, or some, stools. Let's see. So this is the living room still, and the TV. Again, I'm not sure where the mini split's gonna go, and then this will all be pretty. I don't know. We're not really sure how we're gonna decorate it yet, but we will find out, and we'll share it when we figure it out. These are blue because we're really trying to embrace like this Texas whimsical, I'm not really sure what kind of theme, but since it's red outside and blue in here, white counters, we're just gonna do some fun, whimsical things that make it fun for people to wanna stay in a barn in the hill country. Bed here, we're gonna have some sconce lights on the side. TV there, closet there. Like I said, the window unit back there. So this isn't a closed off closet, it's open. And then the bathroom is in there. We didn't really do much on this side of the bathroom, but we redid the shower on the right. All the blinds have been removed for now, but they will be put back. And that's it, that's the update. A lot of work to be done. Oh, and the stairs, these 50-year-old stairs, I mean, we replace the boards every so often, but these stairs and this whole staircase, they're going bye-bye on Tuesday. So that's gonna have a whole new look.